The vision is joint. It's not just mine, it's the common vision that I have with the architect and the clients.
It's the anticipation. It's not necessarily the stress, it's the anticipation.
Getting the halfway point is actually what happens is now the fun starts. You know, you put it all together, you know, you've done the shell, you filled it up with all the different things that it needs so everything will be functioning after the drywall goes up. And now the transformation of the spaces, like the quality of spaces, is really now starting to change.
The best thing about George is his personality and also his attention to detail. He's always thinking, just fantastic.
You enter into the level of aesthetics, you know, and all the different finishes, and it's becoming very exciting. So I'm really excited about that next phase.
Working with Finecraft from the beginning of them just kind of looking at our plans, everyone that worked for the company that saw the plans were super excited. You want to feel like you are truly hiring a team and not just someone to do something for you. And I think that we found that from Finecraft, and I think when someone's going to go through this process, they need to make sure they find that same type of feeling, and not just a feeling, but capability. Patience is the key.